wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Hello, good morning. Today is
Monday. It's a public holiday. It's the King's birthday. And we're heading to Sydney Opera House for our official tour. Yan. Ito talaga yung dahilan bakit kami pumunta ng Sydney Opera House. Hindi para magpa-picture, but for the tour inside the Opera House.
I book it through Klook using my discount code, also lovely.
Yun lang. So we're taking a bus kasi walang light rail dahil because of the public holiday. We'll try to eat lunch also doon sa labas.
Pero baka hindi.
Dahil may surcharge.
Kasi dito sa Australia,
Public holiday.
holiday.
May surcharge na 15%. So,
medyo malaki.
Mahal talaga.
Tapos may surcharge pa pag card ang gamit. So sobrang mahal.
and for today, we don't have any plans naman. So, siguro after nung tour, mag-stay lang kami dito para makapagpahinga, makapag-recharge, and we'll take a look doon sa mga photos and videos na kinuha namin from the previous days. Yun lang. So, we're running late na rin halos. 40 minutes yung biyahe ng bus. And we only have an hour.
40 minutes?
Bus tayo eh. Dalawang sakay pa. Come on. Bye-bye.
Bye. See ya.
Ito na kami sa bus station 389 Bondi Junction. And si Lovely waiting for the bus. Waiting for the bus on a Saturday. Laundry on my back, ultraviolet rays. Like I'm posing for the shutter in the magazine. What the heck? Suot niya ang kanyang panglakaran. Yung kanyang shoes na bagong bili. Yung kanyang on cloud. Kumuha na naman siya ng kanyang paboritong dahon, ang maple tree. Ayan o. Hindi ko pala napindot. Okay guys, yan. Ito na yung ating Sydney Opera House. Yan. So, hanapin lang namin yung entrance para ma-confirm na aming booking.
Then later, we're try to go downstairs. Kung anong meron doon. Kasi mukhang magandang photo spot din yun eh. Habang wala pang tao yung sa baba. So ito yung view. Ito na tayo. So bababa kami ng escalator kasi nandun daw yung mga tours. Let's go! Welcome Center or guided tours. Diyan tayo.
Hello. Hi. We have a ticket for the tour.
Right, 10:30. So you're meeting at point number 1, which is just behind you. About 5 minutes before the start, so you can head over there in about 15 minutes.
Sure.
Show the ride to you.
Thank you. Ito yung story ng creation ng Sydney Opera House. Galing. Pati pala ng Harbor Bridge, Bobby.
May mga headset din na ibibigay.
Naka-guided, yung pinaka-guided tour niya, meron siyang audio guide. Yan, dito na kami. Gawin sa aming Sydney Opera House tour. Meron kaming headset. Nabili ka sana headset para marinig namin yung guided tour.
Were completed October 2023 in time for our 50th birthday celebrations. They spent $150 million on those renovations. So this was not part of the original Opera House. This was only as recently as a couple of years ago. The thinking behind it was when she was a child. And the reason she's important to the history of the Opera House is because she was a major international star when the building first opened. So for her to agree to come back and play here in those early formative years lent a lot of international credibility and respect to the building when it needed it most. She passed away in 2010 and they named this hall after her in 2012. Up until then it was known simply as
The Sydney Opera House is the symbol of modern Australia, a World Heritage listed masterpiece synonymous with inspiration and creativity. Since opening in 1973, it has been home to many
My wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
Mas gusto pa niya ang libro. Yan sa mga souvenirs.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
We just finished the Sydney Opera House tour. During the tour, marami kang malalamang facts, trivias, yung historical references kung paano ginawa yung Sydney Opera House.
Yung architect pa nito, hindi Australian.
Danish na si Jorn Utzon. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, well, disclaimer, ako, pinag-uusapan lang namin tayo kung magkaroon ng issue sa sasabihin ko. Siyempre, Danish siya. And then, kung tatapusin niya yung project, lalabas na parang, Australian, Australian na, tawag ito, na structure. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda. Ito yung maging monument ng Australia, magiging symbolic, iconic na Australian structure. Tapos, malalaman, ang gumawa, Danish. Parang, parang hindi bagay. So there might be a politics there kung ba't siya natanggal or tinanggal or whatever at di sinuportahan tapusin. And kasi after that,
may tatlong Australian na
Australian sa tumapos. So,
tapos, bakit sinuporta yung tatlong Australian bilang finanted yung...
yun lang naman ang idea namin. Well, hindi mawawala sa isip natin yan. Yung ganung bagay. Siyempre, sino ba ang gustong magkaroon ng iconic structure na ang tumapos ay ibang lahi, di ba? So, palang Sydney Opera House was funded by public lottery. So yung mga yung pagtaya pala ng mga tao sa loto, yun ang ginawang pondo para magawa tong Sydney Opera House. Yung pinaka-roof pala niya, hindi pala siya kulay puti.
Ano siya?
Dalawang kulay siya. Isang puti
hindi talaga siya puti.
At isang kulay grayish, ganon. And even before the word ecosystem or whatever or
noong unang panahon.
Yung roof pala na yan ay self-cleaning.
Galing, no?
So may mga, yung tiles pala niya na yan ay...
Siyang kauna-unahan.
Oo, na gumamit ng ganong klase. Hindi, sabi nga nila sila unang gumamit ng word na yun or even before the word was invented itself. Yun, meron pala siyang tatlong shells. Yung pa pala, napakahirap gawin yung cones na yun. Yung cones na yun. So nagsimula pala yung idea na yun sa isang bilog. Tapos hahatiin lang pala yun. So, lahat ng 10 cones na yun, galing yun sa isang bilog na pinaghati-hati. So, ganun. Nakita pa nga na, na isang papuntang hall na ang carpet ay kulay purple, violet. And then, kasi nga, ang purple ay simbolo ng royalty, hindi ba ng money. Kaso may isang opera artist na ayaw pumunta doon dahil para sa kanya ay ito ay bad luck or death or malas. At yung artist pala na yon ay si Luciano Pavarotti. Yung mga tao nga nagkatawanan dahil nga siyempre napakasikat ni Pavarotti, tapos siya pala yung ayaw lumakad sa purple carpet. Well, kasi ano niya yun, pamahiin niya yun, siyempre. May mga pinuntahan kami mga concert hall. The first is yung concert hall. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-video noon. Pag kumakanta yung mga artists, pure voice nila yon. And dalawang klaseng, walang mic. So talagang voice nila yung maririnig mo. Walang acoustic. Ang pinaka nagpapaganda doon yung acoustic nung lugar, nung pagkakagawa nung lugar. Actually, gumamit sila ng dalawang klaseng Australian wood para doon. Isang dark wood from Australia. Yung ang natandaan ko lang yung white, Australian birch wood. Ito yung medyo mas malambot. Yung white, yung light color na wood. Yung isa kasi is dark. So pag binilend in pala yung wood na yon, ang ganda ng acoustic. So maririnig sa entire hall yung boses. Sabi nga nung tour guide, yung laki ng mga pipes, nagsisimula sa isang maliit na istro, ganun kalaki, at isang pipe na kasi laki ng 3-story building, ganun. Yun daw ang sound pipe, parang ganun. Yun ang pinakamalaking sound pipe sa buong mundo.
Kaya lang bawal i-video, bawal po.
Sabi pa nung tourist guide, so yung concert hall, dahil nga gawa sa kahoy, at specific na kahoy, Australian birchwood, and I'm not sure kung ano yung isa, para kang nasa loob ng isang gitara. Imagine mo yung nasa yung gitara na doon ka sa loob, ganun yun. Na kapag in-strum yung gitara, maririnig mo yung buong sounds nung artist na kumakanta. So at isa-search ko yan mamaya. Yan ang pag-aaralan ko.
Bye. Kakain muna kami ng lunch. Wala pa kaming breakfast and it's almost lunch. If you have time here in Australia, huwag lang kayo magpa-picture, huwag lang kayo mag-video dito sa Sydney Opera House. Highly recommended yung tour. Bye! So ito yung order natin. Salted egg fried rice, salt and pepper corn, pork belly
With shrimp pastry.
pork curry na. Ito na yung magiging lunch namin.
Tiger milk. Ito na, cheers! Hey guys!
Hello!
Katapos na namin kumain sa Chinatown, nagbumili lang kami ng water doon sa grocery, sa Asian store, sa grocery. And then some chicheria, na-miss ko mag-chicheria. And then dito na kami sa light rail, pauwi. Yan, medyo sobrang lamig ngayon. Medyo masama nga paramdam ko. Nagwo-water na nga yung mata ko. Tsaka yan, sumisingot na kami pareha. Sobrang lamig.
Kaya i-stop na namin yung video na to.
4 o'clock.
Ano 4? 2 p.m. pa lang.
Sorry.
2
p.m. Spend nga lang kami the whole day just to check yung mga photos and videos and mag-transfer ng files kasi napuno yung isa naming memory card. So, yun lang. See you soon. Dito na yung train. Bye-bye.
Bye! See you on my next vlog.